Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In Odoo not available that to display paid ribbon in sale order form if the invoice of sale order is paid. But using this our app you can easily display in sale order form. So let's see about that how to work it. You can see here our module Devintelle paid ribbon. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to sales, create new, add customer like Odeco addict, add product like bolt and save. Let's confirm, create invoice, confirm, do paid, click on create payment. Now our invoice is paid. Go to sale order. So see here this ribbon is paid in display of sale orders. Thank you.